Nevertheless, but I want a response from Shehzad to that. Shehzad, Jai Shah is very is because of his family. That's what Ashutosh's allegation is. Your response, and of course Rahul Gandhi referring to that also when he talks about meritocracy, BJP style. How does this work? Because the BJP constantly takes on the Congress and the Gandhi family for what they call is dynasty and the lack of merit.
See, Rahul Gandhi speaking of meritocracy is like China speaking about democracy. It's like 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को और शायद वैटिकन को चली. Rahul Gandhi lost 30 elections, was made the vice president, then he lost another few elections, he was made the president, and after that he's resigned from that post and now he wants to come back to it. Therefore the Delhi unit has also passed a resolution today asking for his comeback as the president. By that time the mother was keeping the seat warm. By the way, for the last 40 years only the Gandhi family has held the top post of the presidency of the Congress party, because not of the performance but because of Parivar. So party is no longer Parivar, but Parivar is equal to party. So this man has no locus standi to talk about it. Now as far as Amit Shah's son Jai Shah is concerned, is Jai Shah becoming the ACC president because he's the son of Amit Shah? No, absolutely not. In fact, a senior editor and senior person at Times Now, Hector, has actually put it out that this is a rotational post that is transferred to every cricketing nation in Asia and you hold it turn by turn, and therefore he's got it this time because he's a part of the BCCI. Did he get the post of the BCCI because he's Amit Shah's son? And is he going to become the president of BJP because he's Amit Shah's son? No. In fact, the BJP in the last 20 years has had 9 presidents, and the Congress party, how many presidents did they have? Let me count. 1, 2. And who are they? Gandhi. So the next president of the Congress party, like the Samajwadi party, can only be from the first family of that party, which is the Yadav family or the Gandhi family. Ashutosh, if you want to compare apples with apples, I can understand, but you left your journalism long back when you entered the political stream, and I think you need to play cricket. Mr. Ashutosh, please, I know you hate the BJP, but in your hate for the BJP and Modi, don't make arguments that don't make sense.
Okay.
Now let me give you an example. Ashutosh, hear me out. Let me give you an example. Is the top post of the BJP or the prime ministership of the BJP? 1 second, sir. Why don't you hear my question? Hear my question rather than just talking. No, you are a better anchor than you're a panelist. Now listen to my question. Is the top post of the BJP or the prime ministership reserved for one family in the BJP? Answer the question, yes or no. No, it's not. Modi can become, Amit Shah can become, Tom Vadakkan can become, anybody can become. They don't need to be the son of Modi. They don't need to be the son of Amit Shah. They don't need to be the son of Vajpayee. They don't need to be the son of Advani. This is the difference. But in Samajwadi party, Manoj Kaka cannot become the president because he has to be the son of Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav.
Okay, Manoj Kaka, आपसे सीधा सवाल.